Today I am going to discuss about integers, exercise number 5 and 6. In the previous video we have discussed exercises 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us continue today's video. Exercise number 5. First one, verify the following. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay, left hand side and right hand side, when the answer is equals, then this is the right one, this is the true. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into 4, 72, and here 18 7 is 126 and 18 3 is 54. 126 minus 54, 72. So this one is true. Let us move to second. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Minus 21 we have to write as it is. Minus 4 plus minus 6, we have to add these two numbers. Minus 10, minus 21 into minus 10, 210. In the right hand side, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. 21 4 is 84 plus 21 6 is 126. When we add these two numbers, we are getting 210. So this is also true. Second one, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? And second one is, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. Minus 1 into a is equal to always minus a. When we are multiplying any number with minus 1, only the positive or negative integers changed. Okay, in the same way, minus 1 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 ones are 5. Now third one is, find the product using suitable properties. First one is 26 into minus 48 plus 48 into minus 36. In the both numbers 36 and 26 we are multiplying with 48. So this is belongs to distributive property. Okay, 48 into 26 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So minus 48 is common to these numbers. So minus 48 into 26 plus minus 36. 26 plus minus 36 is minus 10. Minus into minus plus 48 into 10, 480. Second one, 8 into 53 into minus 125. 8 into 53 into 125. 424 into 1 minus 125. Plus into minus is equal to minus 125 into 424, 53,000. This is the commutative property. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. 15 into minus 25 into 4 tens are 40, minus into minus plus plus 40. 25 into 40, 1000, minus into plus minus. 15 into 1000 minus 15,000. Now fourth one is, minus 41 into 102 is equal to minus 4182. This is under closure property. Next one, 625 into minus 35 plus minus 65 into 65. So here also minus 65 and 625 and 625 common. So minus 625 plus into minus, minus 35 plus 65. Sorry, this is minus 625 into 100. So minus 62,500 is the answer, and this is under distributive property. 7 into 50 minus 2. 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. We are multiplying 7 with 50 and also with 2. So this is under distributive property. Minus 17 into minus 29 is equal to 493. Minus into minus is equal to plus. This is the positive answer. This is under closure property. Why? Because when we are multiplying any integer, we are getting the answer also an integer. Next, eighth one is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. 57 is common. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus minus 1. Why minus 1? Because 57 into minus 1 plus 57. Minus into minus plus. 57 ones are 57. So minus 57 into minus 220 is equal to 1140. This is under commutative property. Now let us move to exercise 7. Let us move to exercise 6. These are only fill in the blanks here. Minus 25 divided with minus 1 is equal to 25. This is the blank. Minus 25. Which number we have to divide? Then we are getting 25. So minus into minus plus. Plus is the answer, means minus 1 is the answer. Okay, minus 49 divided by 1 is equal to minus 49. 50 divided by 0, we cannot be define this. Okay, 0 divided by 1 is equal to always 0. Now let us move to exercise 7. In class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. First one is Bharati attempts all questions but only 9 answers are correct. What is her total score? One of her friend Hema attempts only 5 questions and all are correct. What will be her total score? Bharati get correct answers 9. Every correct answer carries 4 marks. Okay, 9 4s are 36 marks. But incorrect answers 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 into minus 2. 6 2s are 12. Her score is 9 4s are 36. 9 correct answers and each one carries 4 marks. 6 wrong answers carries minus 2 marks. So 36 minus 12 is equal to 24 marks. Bharati's score is 24 marks. And Hema attempts 5 questions. So 5 into 4, 20 marks. All questions she attempts correctly. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 9 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. So what is the question here? The company sells 7,000 bags of white cement and 6,000 bags of grey cements in a month. What is its profit or loss? Let us see. The company profit on 7,000 bags of white cement. So 9 rupees per bag profit. So 9 into 7,000, 63,000, and loss of 5 rupees on grey cement bags. So this is 30,000. So net profit is equal to 63,000 minus 30,000, 33,000. The company is getting profit. So second question is, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 5,400? Let the number of white cement bags we don't know because x. 9x is equal to 5,400 into 5 because 5 rupees loss. X is equal to 5,400 into 5. When we are taking 9 to here, right hand side means this is belongs to division. So x is equal to 600. 9 ones are 9 6 54. So 600 into 5, x is equal to 3000 rupees. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? The temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius above zero. Above zero means positive. Decrease at 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Final temperature is 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Below zero means minus 8 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature is equal to 10 minus minus 8. So minus into minus plus. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature. Rate of decrease is equal to 18 per hour. Time 18 by 2 is equal to 9 hours. So the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius below zero at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. p.m. means night. The temperature at midnight is equal to 12 a.m. Okay, after 12 night, that is 12 a.m. Time is equal to 10 minus 2 into 12. 10 minus 24. So answer is minus 14. 10 minus 24 means 24 minus 10. We are putting minus value here because the minus value is greater. So the temperature at midnight is 14 degrees Celsius below zero. Below zero or minus 14 degrees Celsius. In class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Radhika scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay, this is the first one. And second one is Mohini scores minus 5 marks in the test though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? First one, Radha scored 20 marks. Okay, she get correct answers 12 into 3. Each one correct answer carries 3 marks. So 12 3s are 36 marks. She attempts incorrect answers is equal to x because we don't know how many answers she attempts wrongly. So minus 2x is equal to, because minus 2x means each minus answer or each incorrect answer carries minus 2 marks, is equal to 20. She got the marks 20 minus 36. X is equal to 16. 20 minus 36 minus 16 by minus 2. So 2 8s are 16. So how many questions? 8 questions. Thus the number of incorrect answers she did 8. Second is Mohini scored minus 5 marks. Okay, she get correct answers 7 3s are 21. Each one correct answer carries 3 marks. So 7 3s are 21 marks. Mohini attempt incorrect answers be x because we don't know. Minus 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 21. X is equal to minus 26. 21 plus 5 26 because both are the negative values. 26 by minus 2. 2 13s are 26 is equal to 13. So the number of incorrect answers is 13. Last one in this chapter, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? The elevator has to travel 10 meters till the ground. There 350 meters more. So more means positive. So the total distance to travel is 350 plus 10 meters above. 10 meters above means we have to add both numbers. So 360 meters. Rate of elevator speed is 6 meters per minute. time is equal to distance by speed, you know that. So distance is equal to 360 by speed is equal to 6 meters. So 360 by 6 is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. This is the end of the integers chapter. Thank you for watching. Thank you.